We have grown too accustomed to looking at our feet. Our cities are flooded with artificial light that hides true reality from us. But on May 31st, the cosmos will force us to look up. The second full moon in a single earthly month, an event humans have given a beautiful name, the blue moon. It will not, of course, change its color. The cosmos is alien to our fairy tales and metaphors. It has its own harsh poetry. On this night, our only satellite will reach its apogee, the farthest point of its orbit. The moon will appear smaller, more detached, as if intentionally retreating into the icy void, laying bare the infinite black abyss before us. We rejoice in such astronomical phenomena. We photograph them, we turn them into news. But behind this bustle hides something far greater. It is a rare moment when millions of people around the world freeze simultaneously, look at a single point, and realize what truly matters. The cosmos is not just a beautiful backdrop for Earth. It is the absolute. It is the only thing that possesses true scale, vast, silent, and eternal. And we are merely tiny observers on a fragile rock, lost in the dark, observers who have been granted the incredible fortune to witness it all. Tomorrow night, look up at the sky. Do not look for the blue moon. Look for infinity.